I'm Bethany Rittle-Johnson, and I am an associate professor in psychology and human development, and I'm also the director of the developmental sciences program area. Growing up, I always loved scientific things. I always just liked to ask questions and really systematically try to figure out why, but I'm not very interested in things. I always really loved kids. And so when I went to college is when I discovered that I could put those things together and I could be a scientist about kids. And so it was just a really good combination. So I'm most interested in how kids think about mathematical ideas, how they come to think about math and understand it, develop both skill at solving problems and understanding of concepts. I started to pay attention to young children's understanding of patterns. So patterns, when little kids do them, they're repeating patterns like red, red, blue, red, red, blue. But we've learned that kids actually can think about patterns in deeper ways than they're often asked. So I can say, can you make the same kind of pattern but using orange and yellow? And the kids are able to do this, and that's important because mathematically that's pushing them to think about looking for what's the same and different, for what repeats over, looking for rules. It helps them learn to look for rules, and I think it's going to be important. I work primarily with doctoral level students. They mostly come because they have also been struck with the struggles that children have with mathematical thinking. They want to do things that help figure out this puzzle that both is interesting just intellectually as a scientist, but then also could really help kids learn math better in schools. You know, a friend of mine said to me, oh, my son, for his corrections on a test, if he gets questions wrong, he has to say why the wrong answer was wrong and what the right answer is and why the right answer is right. And that is exactly, that is a study that I have done. That was pretty cool to see, like, yeah, that's a good idea, and that comes from research.